Hi guys, Wednesday the 7th of August, charity shop Gold or Garbage, went to Yate today. This thing caught my eye. I'm guessing it projects the Batman logo. And I'm guessing it's a clock. That appears to be an on-off, possibly. Don't know. Gets stuck. We've got hour, minute, and mode. Paladone. Can we read that at all? Trademark and copyright DC Comics. 3 AAA batteries. That didn't want to come undone. Okay. They're pretty well crusty. No display. Okay, looks like we'll be taking that one apart. Have a look at it. Yeah, all right, well, we'll do that in a separate video. No real surprise there, but it would have been nice if it worked. Only cost me £1. And that'll, as I say, that'll give me an extra video. See if we can figure out how to get it working. And then obviously the other thing I bought, or things, I bought 2 of these. 49p each, that's my sort of price. I seem to have made that car several times. And that's a little, I was going to say a Land Rover, but 4x4. And these are Robotime. I seem to have been doing a few Robotime things recently. So, as I keep saying, this is the sort of thing that goes in the car in my stock of things to keep me occupied when I'm sitting there passing time. So far, my opinion of Robotime is they're excellent. So we will find out when we try and put one of these together, but not today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.